Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. CJI Chandrachud defends his minority judgment in the same-sex marriage case. Delhi cafes and restaurants restrained from playing copyrighted music of PPL India by the Delhi High Court. Merely holding a degree does not give rise to presumption that wife not working for the purpose of claiming maintenance from husband, holds Delhi High Court. Bombay High Court seeks response from state government on plea challenging conversion of Jalna Municipal Council into Municipal Corporation. Jailer actor Vinayakan, arrested for creating drunken chaos at Ernakulam Police Station, gets bail. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. As you know that on October 17th, the Supreme Court's 5-judge Constitution bench delivered its much-awaited verdict in the same-sex marriage case. The bench was headed by the CJI and also comprised of Justice S.K. Kaul, Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt, Justice Hima Kohli and Justice P.S. Narasimha. The top court discussed various aspects and on some points the bench differed with each other. However, with regards to the legal recognition of same-sex marriages, a unanimous decision was made, and the bench held that there was no unqualified right to marriage. The bench on the issue of right to adoption to queer couples delivered a judgment with a 3-2 majority. In this regard, the CJI, along with Justice Kaul, was in minority. The CJI, however, while speaking at an event, defended his minority opinion. The CJI highlighted that the Chief Justices in the nation have been minority on rare occasions, and said that I do believe that the judgment is sometimes a vote of conscience and a vote of the Constitution, and I stand by what I said. He further said that it's time for the Parliament to act, stating that in his minority opinion, that is what he opined, that there can be no entrenchment in the domain of the Parliament. Nonetheless, there were sufficient foundation principles in our Constitution to allow for recognition of same-sex unions in terms of civil unions. The Delhi High Court has restrained the famous chain of cafes Tim Hortons, along with restaurant chain Gola Sizzlers and Sandoz, from playing music, the copyright of which belongs to Phonographic Performance Limited India. The order came after PPL approached the High Court against the eateries for copyright infringement. PPL is an Indian collective rights management organization which licenses sound recordings of its members for public performances and broadcast. It claimed that the cafe chain and the restaurants were playing songs from its repertoire without obtaining a license for the same. The counsel for Tim Hortons, however, denied the allegations and claimed that they neither were playing nor intended to play the music copyrighted by PPL. The High Court, however, held that the balance of convenience was clearly in favor of PPL. The High Court then granted PPL relief by passing a restraining order against the eateries from playing PPL's music, while asking the restaurants to file a response in the case. The matter is posted for February 7, 2024 for further hearing. A division bench of the Delhi High Court comprising Justice Suresh Kumar Kaid and Justice Neena Bansal Krishna has held that merely possessing a degree does not give rise to the presumption that the wife is not working solely to claim maintenance from her husband. The court was hearing the cross appeals filed by a husband and wife, challenging the order of a family court that directed the husband to pay a sum of Rs 25,000 per month to the wife as pendente light maintenance, meaning during the course of litigation. The wife sought an increase in the amount of maintenance, while the husband sought a reduction in the same. The court observed that while the wife holds a degree of BSc, she has not been working, while the husband was a practicing advocate, and the sole ground on which the husband sought the reduction of maintenance is that the wife has a degree of BSc, which is not maintainable, as she has never been gainfully employed. The court further said that no inference can be drawn that merely because the wife is holding a degree of graduation, she must be compelled to work. And it can also not be presumed that she is intentionally not working solely with the intent to claim interim maintenance from the husband. A division bench of Justice R.V. Guge and Justice Y.G. Khobaragade of the Aurangabad bench of Bombay High Court has sought the response from the government of Maharashtra on a petition challenging the conversion of the Jalna Municipal Council into a municipal corporation. The petitioners claim that the conversion does not align with the constitutional mandate that areas with a population of less than 3 lakhs should be classified as smaller urban areas and be administered by a municipal council. The plea highlighted that Jalna had a population of about 2.25 lakhs, according to the census of 2011, and the move to convert the municipal council to a municipal corporation will impact the municipal taxes, local governance, and the welfare of the citizens. The High Court has issued notices to the Principal Secretary of the State Urban Development Department and the District Collector of Jalna and directed them to file replies by December 11th in the matter. Actor Vinayakan, who played the villain in the Rajinikanth starrer Jailer, was arrested for creating chaos at a police station in Kerala's Ernakulam while being under the influence of alcohol. According to the police officials, the actor was called for questioning by the police to the Ernakulam North Police Station over a dispute with his wife at his apartment. The actor, however, allegedly arrived at the police station in an inebriated state and created commotion and obstructed the operations of the police station, leading to his arrest. The police later let the actor off on bail after due process. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.